This is called minibus. It's a bus or a van in between, so it's called minibus. They go very fast. They speed a lot. And this is their so-called station. Not really, but yeah, they just park here. And people line up here. You have to choose the right one. Don't just rush and get on anything. Very old style buildings. This is a church, Christian church. See how busy it is? They do not take off when they still have vacant seats because they want to earn as much as possible. So $12, $9, $8, $7, depends on where you go. You can use your octopus card, meaning you can go anywhere. This is a traditional Chinese way of worshipping ancestor or something. I used to come here a lot, maybe on a monthly basis, and don't know why they're gathering here. Why are they gathering here? Oh, they're selling stuff. It's not that busy on the street today because it's public holiday. People are busy going to other people's home. Younger people go to older people's home. And it says $2 here. If you're over 60, you can...
65.
Is it 65? Okay. Over 65, $2 per trip. We don't have any traffic lights. Nothing. We just walk. And see this? Real estate. See this? 328. The word behind is man, meaning 10,000. So it's actually 7 digits. This says 望右望左, look left. No, look right and look left. This is a traditional Chinese god. For the land, for the soil, for the ground, whatever it is, jade. Take a closer look. The older generations, like our grandparents, they would believe in such, but no, I do not. So it's just for look. Oh, they're selling stuff. That's why they're gathering here. Mostly men. Okay, we're going. I'm a tourist in my own home country. And I'm walking. It's getting warm now. I don't know, maybe 11 to 18 or 13 to 18 degrees Celsius. We don't have a big temperature gap in a day. So I just took off my jacket and I'm gonna take off one layer of my pants. I got 2. This word up here, the one in red and the green outline, that is cash converter. Oh, okay. Okay, so I'm gonna stop the recording here. Basically, it is called Tuen Mun. No, Yuen Long. I came from Tuen Mun, then I reached here Yuen Long. It's very old area. Alrighty.